can't write anywhere they want in the lesson. There are two designated fields for that: Table and Word Counter. Table is a simple tool to create tables or spaces where students can take notes. Open the tool menu by clicking on the plus on the left or the tab button and select Table. You can add columns and rows or remove them by clicking on the four dots above the column or to the left of the row. You can't add or remove rows and columns in the student mode, so add enough when creating the lesson. To create a new line in the same cell, click Shift plus Enter. You can delete all extra rows and columns, leaving only one, to create a simple box for taking notes. You can enlarge the size of the box indefinitely by clicking Shift plus Enter in Edit mode or Enter in Student mode. If you click on the three dots on the right, you can designate the top row for headings. The text will be automatically bold and the cell outlines thicker. You can change the color of the text, make it bold, cursive, strike through or highlight it in the table. Word Counter is a special tool for writing assignments. Set the desired amount of words while editing. In student mode, the words you write in the space will be counted. If you write more than the set number, it will turn red. You can't change the size of this box. If you write more, a scroll bar will appear on the left. You can't change the color or type of the text in Word Counter.